Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, USDA reports always have a little surprise in them. And today, the USDA said that farmers were going to plant a little bit more bean acres and a little less corn acres than the market had anticipated. So as soon as the numbers came out, beans were down 17 cents, traded below $9.50 on the May. Now we're down only 11 cents, and we'll see if there's any pricing going on at these price levels. In the corn market, they said that farmers are going to plant a little less corn acres than what the average trade guess was. We've got corn up about 6 cents, and I think there is some pricing underneath the market, especially by domestic users who want to cover corn before we get into our summer weather time frame. The wheat acres were right in line with the average trade guess, record low, the lowest in 107 years at 46 million acres. So again, wheat's finding a little bit of support, up about 7 cents, just on the fact that you need perfect weather from here on out with that low of acreage base in order for prices to stay down where they're at. We'll watch the commitments of traders report tonight and see just how short the funds are in corn and wheat and how much they reduced their bean position, to see if that offers any support to the marketplace. As far as stocks are concerned, as expected, the USDA said March 1 stocks were above a year ago, but they also were above the average trade guess. For corn, 8.6 billion bushels, the average guess was 8.5. For beans, a little over 1.7 billion bushels, the average guess was a little bit under 1.7. And for wheat, 1.655 million bushels. Last year we had 1.372, and the average guess was 1.627. So in the wheat and possibly in the beans, maybe they have underestimated last year's crop. In the corn, they'll just take it out of the feed residual and say there was less feeding done. So all in all, it was a bearish soybean report, maybe a friendly corn report, and a neutral wheat report. And we'll see how the market wants to trade now that the next thing we look at, number one, will be weather. But number two, people are already filtering in the fact that next week, President of the United States and the President of China is going to meet in Florida, and we'll kind of see how that meeting goes, and if there's any issues after the meeting on especially trade. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.